First off, I just learned that cayenne peppers contain 51.5% of your daily value of choline. Cayenne peppers, cayenne. I had purchased a shallot at the store and I saw these greens poking out. So I cut around it. I used it a little bit, as you can see. But I had it in my fridge in a bag for like what seems like maybe 2 weeks now, and it's still growing. I've actually broken some of the greens off the top, so I chose to put it in this little shot glass, reused, and it's already got a couple sprouts right there. You see those little sprouts right there? Okay, on that note,
So what is the connection between diabetes and the pancreas? Please explain for us.
So diabetes is a condition primarily involving the pancreas.
The pancreas is a vital organ in the body that plays a crucial role in digestion and blood sugar regulation. It produces enzymes that help break down food in the small intestine and makes hormones, such as insulin and glucagon, that regulate blood sugar levels.
so I recently learned that I might have diabetes, or I do. I haven't followed up with my primary care provider. So I usually fill these up with hibiscus, but since I'm learning about the pancreas, I looked up how to cleanse it, and they said rosemary and sage. And I also learned that pepper plays a role in being able to process all those nutrients. But I only have powdered pepper right now and powdered cayenne pepper. But I want to put my sage and my rosemary into one of these, and some pepper and some cayenne pepper, but I don't want it to get in my mouth when I drink it. So what I was thinking, like cold press, maybe they should make a shot cold press, because I was thinking, how could I do this? Should I make like a little, quarter size circle with like a rod attached to it that I could press down into the shot glass with, so that I don't ingest a whole bunch of powder in my mouth? That would be convenient. I don't know if they have that in production somewhere, but it definitely should be thought about, because it's something I just thought of. Alright, see you guys later.